They're called cold booms, and they're traditionally found in the coldest regions in the world. But since Oklahoma's temperatures have dropped drastically, residents are a little shaken up.
It's a pretty poorly researched topic.
Oklahomans are becoming more familiar with earthquakes here in the state, but have you heard of cold booms? Or as OU professor Dr. Parsons puts it,
Frostquakes.
Reports are flooding in across the state about people hearing loud, mysterious booming noises underground. We talked to News Channel 4's own chief meteorologist, Mike Morgan, about the strange sounds. He explains.
It turns out these cold booms are a fascinating phenomenon, and it turns out it really all began with that pretty decent rain we had late last week. That rainfall soaked into the ground. Well, then we had this rapid freezing of the temperature. When you go from a liquid to a solid, it gets larger. Well, it turns out when it goes to an ice phase, it has no place to go. So it shows up as a cold boom and actually causes a miniature explosion in the ground.
And although it is noisy, officials say there's really nothing to worry about, but in some rare cases, it can cause structural damage. At the National Weather Center, Andrew Donnelly, News Channel 4.